Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW, guys, any BMW, let's say like 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, Z3, Z4, 6 Series, guys, and you're trying to test your fuel pump, if the fuel pump is turning on and all that stuff, we'll explain how to do that first manually without any tools, and second, guys, we'll be using a computer to simulate the pump running and we'll see if it's running, and you can definitely hear it. So stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what we need to do. Some pumps, when they fail, they just turn for a couple seconds and stop, so you need to make sure that they run for at least 10-15 seconds before they quit. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So we'll be demonstrating now here on a BMW E46 3 Series, guys, and if you turn your ignition on, you gotta make sure you stand till the end, guys, because the second test will be more important. If you turn the ignition on, you will hear a buzz from under the rear seat, usually on your BMW, or right in front of the rear tire where your fuel tank is, and you hear a buzz for a couple seconds. So let's get a person inside, and we'll go ahead, turn the ignition on, and listen for that buzz now. Turn the ignition off, turn on. Let's do that again. That noise that says bzzz, that's your fuel pump, guys, but it doesn't mean that it's still good. It could be bad, just turning a little bit and quitting. So I'll show you guys what we'll be doing. We'll be using MaxiC scanner. This is amazing scanner, guys. It works on any car, not just BMWs, but it's very, very handy thing. So what I'll do now, I'll turn the ignition on. Let me show you how many cars that thing supports, not just BMW. You have almost dealer level equipment here with that computer, guys. If you're into car business, consider it, check it out, listed in the description of the video below. So we'll select BMW. Now you can do manual selection and select your model, whatever you have, let's say E46. Or you can click automatic, enter your VIN number, or detect your VIN number on its own. Sometimes it detects that function and tell you which vehicle you have. We confirm yes, and it's going to take just a little bit of time, to connect and do all that stuff, guys. So we'll be waiting a little bit, and now, it's going to ask us if we have the 20-pin connector, because some older BMWs used to have that. If you do, you have it in the case, so you need to install it. Now we'll go to diagnostics, control unit. Under control unit, we're going to select drive. This is your engine computer, DME, and now we're going to, we need to find, guys, a section that's called active test. Right here, active test, component activation. Now, we'll scroll back and there is one that's called fuel pump. Now, I can manually activate the fuel pump and you'll hear the buzz. Listen now. Now being a wireless scanner, I can go outside the vehicle and I can activate it, and I will go ahead and show you what you're going to hear from the tank. So listen now. So you can definitely, guys, hear your pump running and circulating the fuel. You can definitely feel the fuel circulating. So definitely a good pump, guys. That's how you guys activate it and test it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.